Hello and welcome to Office Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build mega menu using Elements Kit plugin. And you can see this is the demo mega menu I just created. So I'll show you how to build a mega menu just like this. First of all, you will have to install a plugin called Elements Kit. But before that, you must have the Elementor free version activated. So for that, come to your plugin section and click on add new. As you can see, I already have the Elementor plugin installed and activated. So in plugins, type Elements Kit, press enter, click on install now, activate the Elements Kit plugin. After activating the plugin, let's just see on the front end how our menu looks like currently. So there is no mega menu. First of all, we will create a header. The benefit of Elements Kit is that you do not have to have the Elementor Pro version for making a theme or making header or footer. So Elements Kit provides header and footer for free. Now click on header, click on add new. My new header, it's a title, the type is header, condition on entire site, activation on. First click on save changes, and now click on edit and click on edit content. It will open the Elementor drag and drop editor. Here I'll design my header like this: 3 columns, one for logo, you can upload your custom logo or you can choose one from your library. Now click on link, custom URL, I'll choose my WordPress home. Okay, in the second column, type here menu and choose the one that provided by Elements Kit. Is here written eKit. Drag it to that section and choose which menu you want to show on this menu. Choose main menu and I'll choose the right alignment. Click on update. Now open your front end and check if that header applies. Okay, we have that header now. Now come to the edit again and open your dashboard. Now open appearance menus page. Here choose which menu you want to make as a mega menu. I want to make section 2 as mega menu parent. Click on mega menu. First enable the mega menu and save it. After saving, click on edit mega menu content. It will also open in Elementor's drag and drop editor. Okay, now let's check how our menu was. We will need 4 columns, so come here, add a 4 columns layout. Now in first menu, add a title which was our services and then some services in list form. Type our services, centralized in style. You can change color of the text and also you can change the typography like fonts, font size, weight, transform, style, text decoration, line height, etc. So for size, I'll choose the size perfectly fits. Click on update. Now let's drag some list, type list here, and drag that free version list element. In the first element, web design. Second element, PHP development. Third element, SEO services. Okay, now come to the second one. It's a slider, our products, and then slider. Okay, first let's copy the title which we already made and drag it to this section and change the text, our products. Now we will drag a image carousel. Add images. Insert gallery. Okay, I'll choose image size as 150 by 150 and slides to show 1. Navigation will be none. And click on update. Now the third menu will be some random text. And the fourth one will be a single image. Okay, now our contents are ready. When you click on update, you can see the live update on your front end. Open, refresh the page, and drop down the section 2. You can see that it's all there, but not like this. So now let's customize it. First of all, we will add a white background and make it a full width. So to do a white background, click on this parent section and come to style. In the background, choose classic and then choose white. Now we will add some margins, padding, 15 overall, and unlink that and give top 40 and bottom 40 as well. Click on update, but it's still not a full width menu. If you refresh the page, and you will see that the white background will be there now, but it's still not full width. So close this menu, the edit content, and if you close this already, then again click on mega menu for section 2 and click on settings, choose full width and click on save. Now refresh the page. It's full width, but the position is relative, which means it will start from here, from the right. So position also to the default. Click on save, refresh the page. Now it's perfect. It's the whole page and all contents are placed perfectly. Now we will add a menu instead of this text. For example, a child menu, So come to menus. In section 2, mega menu, click on edit content, and in this section we will remove this text. Delete it. Now search for menu, which is this menu by eKit. Drag it here and choose a menu like footer menu 1 or footer menu 2, any menu you want to place it. It's center, mobile menu. Okay, eKit menu is for mobile, so remove that. Let's just add a simple menu, navigation menu, which is by default available in free version of Elementor, and choose which menu you want to show here. Footer menu 2, okay, or links. You can choose title here, or if it do not match with these ones, then remove it and add a title just like this. Duplicate this one, drag it to this section, and or links. Click on update, open your home page, refresh it, and our links, here they are. So that was all for today's video. I hope you learned something from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. Thank you.